Scene script. Ever pondered on the art of growing your own onions from seed, but found yourself lost on where to embark from? This beginner's guide has got your back as we delve into the simple process of turning tiny seeds into big, delicious onions. First things first, pinpoint a sunny spot in your garden that boasts well-draining soil. Remember, onions bask in the glory of full sun, and they crave ample space to stretch out and grow. Moving on, it's time to prepare your soil. This involves the addition of compost or organic matter. These will serve as a buffet of nutrients for your soon-to-be onion seedlings. Ensure you mix it well. Fostering good drainage is a must in this process. With your soil prepped and ready, it's time to introduce your onion seeds to their new home. Sow these seeds about 1/4 inch deep and space them about 1 inch apart. Maintaining the soil's moisture is key, but be careful not to drown your seeds in water. As your onion seedlings begin to sprout and grow, you'll need to thin them out, leaving about 3 to 4 inches of space between each one. This gives them room to develop and grow. Remember to water them regularly and treat them to a fertilizer every few weeks. Fast forward about 3 to 4 months, and voila, your onions are ready to be harvested. Keep an eye out for tops that have started to turn yellow. That's your cue. Gently pull them from the ground, being careful not to damage your freshly grown produce. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of growing onions from seed. Now, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor in your favorite dishes. Stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gardening wisdom and how-tos.